Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, magluto tayo ng steamed fish with black beans garlic sauce. So meron tayong ginger slice. Ilagay natin sa ilalim. Saka natin ilagay yung fish. Nahugasan ko na yan guys. Siyempre meron tayong fermented black beans. Hugasan muna natin. Then, dagdagan natin ng minced garlic, soy sauce, sugar, then saka natin i-mix well. So, ito yung ating ilalagay sa fish na toppings. So, yan. Okay na. So, ilagay natin sa ibabaw ng fish. Ayan. Then, dagdagan natin ng slice ginger sa ibabaw. Ayan. So, ready ng for steam. So, maggawa din tayo ng spring onion chop for garnish. Then, steam natin yung fish for 10 to 12 minutes. So, ayan. And then yan, tapos na guys. So, i-garnish na natin yung spring onion and chopped chili. Then, lagyan natin ng soy sauce for seafoods. Ayan, okay na siya guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.